Hughes. He's my guitar player, and his mom is undergoing chemotherapy every month, so we're going to raise funds for her. I hope you can help out. Thank you so much. I also have CDs. Sorry. If you're interested, come over. Now, we need dancers. tsambahan, bulakbol ang kaabuan. Huwag akong itakbo, at lalo ijay bagyo, yamawan sirbiti bagyo, no awat kami amos si Kero. Palakpakan mo mga dyan! No panggap di panggadan, dito'y Texas, di papanan, dito'y di pakasabatan, kakailian kan kakabagian. Yeah! Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for dancing. If you want copies of those kinds of songs, you may approach me. I have some CDs for sale. Thank you.
She got go.
Can I play too? Can we play all of them?
What an entertaining singer. I used to listen to her if you were in Baguio like me before. She was the announcer of DZWT. At the same time, she had produced a lot of songs, both in her own multiple languages. She has Tagalog songs, she has Ilocano songs, Igorot songs, and I think English songs too. So let us support her in her fundraising.
What do I do?
The next one, we also have another singers from Canada who will entertain
I
us.
do that.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. Miriam and Ayla.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.